Jiangsu Alita Polymer Limited Company is a technology-driven enterprise and a leading manufacturer specializing in the production of unsaturated polyester resins. Our core values are centered around customer centricity and dedicated service. We are committed to delivering exceptional products and services to our clients through unwavering efforts and continuous innovation. Our product range is extensive, encompassing high-performance SMC and BMC resins, low-profile additives, vinyl ester corrosion-resistant resins, flame-retardant resins, extrusion resins, light-transmitting sheet resins, marble resins, casting resins, hand layup and spray-up resins, winding resins and RTMD-CPD, and so on. These products have broad applications across various industries, including railways, automotive, wind energy, shipbuilding, fiberglass, pipeline coatings, electrical appliances, artificial stone craftsmanship, skylight tiles, sanitary ware, and corrosion protection projects. Jiangsu Alita Polymer Limited Company boasts over 10 chemical raw material storage tanks with a capacity of over 5,000 tons. We are equipped with multiple advanced resin production lines and industry-leading DCS automated production facilities. Our fully automated production process, which includes automatic feeding, control, and filling, ensures both product quality and efficiency. Quality is of paramount importance to us, leading to the establishment of a dedicated quality control room and a technical service laboratory. These laboratories are equipped with state-of-the-art inspection and testing equipment, enabling precise and rapid assessment of raw materials and products, ensuring the fulfillment of customer needs. Jiangsu Alita Polymer Limited Company is committed to excellence with a focus on customer success and satisfaction. We eagerly anticipate the opportunity to continue providing high-quality products to our customers in the future, while collaboratively shaping a better future and creating more value for society.